The Hurricane has made landfall.
The following is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Villains, beware! The Green Storm is here!
Just when I thought you couldn't become any bigger dork. Nerd.
What, you guys aren't motivated by the Hurricane? I'll take that as a no. Things are about to get good.
And his opponent, from your darkest fears, weighing in at 215 pounds, Clown!
This is an individual with the smarts to know that their own ambitions are worth protecting. You won't find them wasting time glad-handing or building flimsy allegiances.
You also won't find them smiling or meeting up with friends for meals or getting any presents during the holidays.
Match is underway, no holds barred, anything goes, but this match must be won in the ring via pinfall or submission.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this match ended via referee stoppage, Cole. The lengths that superstars will go in a no-holds-barred match, this isn't going to be pretty. And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now. Sky high.
Diving Hurricane.
Whoa! It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here.
Piercing elbow drop.
Uh-oh!
Somersault plancha.
It's like a heat-seeking missile coming at you.
And the explosion occurring ringside.
Now the Hurricane has the firm upper hand.
Hurricane isn't holding anything back. He saw it coming.
And he's able to counter.
Yeah, he's getting some newly determined focus.
Off the barricade.
On a stomp.
Now, this is the kind of match where you can really push the bounds of damage you can inflict. I'm not saying that a no disqualification match should mean carte blanche to do whatever you want to someone, but it does provide an opening to be creative in your offense, so be creative.
Oh!
Steered clear of that.
Goes under the ropes to get back inside.
This competitor has such a deep arsenal, we're about to see more of it.
Springboard! His shoulders are down! No, he kicks out.
Keeping a loss at bay for now. Oh, God.
Oh, kick right to the gut.
Oh, what a kick. The Hurricane is really showing his confidence. Neck is trapped.
Suplex. Delivers the cross body. Ow, man.
Ooh, listen to the impact.
Perched on the shoulders.
And I guess superheroes can bleed, guys. Look at Hurricane.
No, my, that was close.
Goodness gracious, the Hurricane is still in this one.
I did not see that coming.
I've lost count of how many times this match should have ended by now. Into the ring again. Ooh, the Hurricane answers back. Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Right in the chest. What a drop kick.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
A hockey stick? I see. He does not just want to hurt the competition. He wants to embarrass them.
And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. And we might be seeing a competitor crumbling before our very eyes.
He manages to escape it.
If this lands, it might be all over.
Samoan driver.
Wasting absolutely no respect on his opponent. You gotta love it.
My, oh my, what elevation.
Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace.
This is more than reckless abandon. This is showing a lack of all fear. Ooh, clothesline delivered.
What's going to happen here? Backbreaker. He is just reeling from that offense.
Yeah, Hurricane may look foolish, but I can't deny the effectiveness of that maneuver.
Oh, ouch! Mounted palm strike. He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
Finally ends it. And all the bloodshed. Perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner, Clown!
The Hurricane comes out on the losing end.
See? The superhero doesn't always win.
That's true, Corey, but this loss won't stop the Hurricanes' one-man crusade for justice.